How did I go from this to this? Living in my own world.
Call me classic. You can't touch me there. You can't touch my body.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is V. I'm a professional model and a YouTuber. And oh yes, I'm a trans male. Was that fine? If in one word I could explain what the world would look like without gender binary, it would look like a kaleidoscope. Let all these colors flow and let people find their space. I was not born a girl. I was assigned female at birth. Being a man doesn't necessarily mean that you need to have a penis. You cannot have a penis and be a man. You cannot have a vagina and be a woman. I was born in 2001. I was born in Lucknow, UP. Then we moved on to Himachal. I was there for 15 years. I was national level cricket player from Himachal. Then we moved back to Delhi 2 years ago. I started doing college and I started doing the YouTube thing, doing the content creation thing.
Yes, bitch. Okay, मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला इस चैनल पे, ठीक है? कभी भी नहीं. Girlfriend?
I used to identify as gay, that was lesbian term that was given to me because I wasn't sure what the term trans male was until I came to Delhi and I met people who were trans.
Have you heard of the LGBTQ plus? Well, I am the T. I have a soul that is the opposite gender. Well, yes, I'm trans and I'm proud to be me.
I came to Delhi for a really bad thing. My father died 2 years ago, so we had to move from Himachal. I think it's really contradicting when I say I am grateful to be in Delhi because मेरे को यहाँ पे अपना future पता चला है and who I am. You know, no amount of therapy or self-esteem or confidence could like change the fact that the world labeled me as she, while I knew all this time that I was he, and that was like completely out of sync. That really like sucked. So I'll tell you what dysphoria feels like. It feels like being caged. It makes you anxious. It makes you wants to cry. It makes you wants to tear up your the body parts you really hate. And the most disgusting thing about being dysphoric is that you don't feel good about yourself, like you as a person and not just your body. I really wanted to like not exist anymore and just like be somewhere that I was accepted as a male and I didn't have a chest and I didn't have a vagina. It's like a feeling of being like not in a correct body. It can hit you with any second. जब भी अभी I'm talking about it, it's triggering me. For me, breast dysphoria is very, very, very severe than what I have to my bottom. I cannot go out without wearing a binder. I cannot for the life of me. It makes me so anxious to know that somebody can see that I have chest.
Light up and burn out again. I'm fed up with repeating.
As I grew up, I get more and more dysphoric. It became more prominent due to puberty and everything. But the thing was, I didn't know what it was, and that was really, really tough for me to figure out कि ये हो रहा है मेरे साथ. I always like went with what my brother had. It was not just because I wanted to be him, be like my brother, but I really wanted to be him. I wanted to be a guy. I always wore baggy clothes just so that my body could be, hidden from the fact that it is a feminine body and it looked like masculine body. Finally, I came into terms with my gender identity. My masculinity, I don't owe it to anybody but me. I personally feel more connected to my feminine side the day I got on T. It made me feel so confident as a man that femininity doesn't scare me anymore. First of all, you need to go to a psychiatrist and they are going to evaluate you and they are going to tell you that if you are trans or not. They give you a recommendation letter that you can start on T. Then you go and meet an endocrinologist who suggests you that itne amount ke T pe jao, it will help you. Currently I am on 5.5 months on T.
Also, I just realized that this will be the last time my voice is going to sound like this. That's freaking exciting.
One T shot costs around 342 rupees. Currently I am on 250 mg. So after 6 months it changes according to what the doctor prescribes you and what you need for your body. 1 month after, I started noticing changes in my voice. I started growing mustache that was really, really euphoric for me. My dysphoria was nowhere to be found on certain days. The most important thing I love is कि जब मैं बाहर जाता हूँ and I meet my friends, they're like, तेरी voice कितनी ज़्यादा change हो गई है, and that makes me feel so good about myself. I just cannot wait for the changes that I am going to have in the future as well. I cannot wait for top surgery from bottom surgery. I'm walking with my chest out and there's nothing there. It's flat as feeling fabric all over my chest, and that will be the day that I know that I finally won this battle that I have been struggling for past 18 years. I used to be in this academy that was all girls and everything. So that's the time when I really felt that I was romantically attracted to women, and I had my first girlfriend when I was 9th class mein. Yeah, I had my first girlfriend then. Dating for me is really confusing because the last girlfriend I had was a lesbian and I am trans, I'm a man, so इसलिए हमारा breakup भी हो गया because she was gay and I was a man. I am a very, very sex positive person, but still being dysphoric, it's really difficult to have complete pleasure out of it. But I think when I'm really, really comfortable with the person, it happens. I'm really lucky that I got to be a model so suddenly because I see a lot of people struggling. Agency contacted me on Instagram. They told me that they had this gig for me. It was paying and everything, and it was for Gaurav Gupta Couture Show 2021 India. I got so mind blown that it was the first thing that I didn't know. It was so huge. Then I got to be part of GQ cover December 2020 ka. Oh, I get misgendered on a daily basis. I put this video, I was wearing a skirt in that, and I got so many comments saying, if you're trying to be a man, why are you wearing a skirt? Why are you wearing makeup? Why are you putting nail paint? First of all, I am not trying to be a man, I am a man, and it's the society that has said कि वो masculine है वो feminine है. मैंने भी unlearn किया है कि एक masculinity और femininity का ये perceived notion है. I never used to wear makeup because I always thought कि it would make me look like a girl, but I own that now. Not every trans person goes through surgery, not every trans person is on T, because it's different for trans people everywhere. Some people don't have the privilege, some people just don't want to. मेरे को मेरा gender तभी मिलेगा when I show them कि मेरे flat chest, and not just because I am telling them कि मेरा gender male है. You don't ask a trans person their dead name, their actual birth name, because it's dysphoric for them, it's triggering for them. My mom still calls me by the dead name. She's trying to, get there, and I'm grateful that she's trying to, because a lot of people don't get families who are supportive. You have seen media outlets approaching gays and lesbians. It's like उनकी LGBTQ की representation वहीं पर रुक जाती है आगे. A lot of movies, they do present trans folks, but they are just cis people playing trans folks. this V term came from a friend when I used to identify as female, but as I came out, I stick to this V term because it really like resonated to who I am as a person and how I feel, and has been the happiest he has ever been in his life.
Our COVID ground reports cost us about 7.5 lakh every month. You can help our reporting from the ground. Go to thequint.com, click support the Quint tab, choose a plan and pay.